did you notice that you put me through the wrinkle when you...
What's up, you guys? Welcome to a full day of eating, or a what I eat in a day, whatever you want to call it. I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm going to be eating because I have been on vacation. And when you're on vacation, you eat what you want, right? So you're like, oh, I'm on vacation. I'll just, I'll do better when I'm dead. So your girl had plenty of good food, lots of carbs, lots of sweets and candy and stuff like I normally don't eat. So your girl needs to do a little detox, a little cleanse, get her life together and get back on track. What sucks the most is right before I went on vacation, I did that Chloe Ting 2-week challenge, and I feel like I lost a lot of, like deep bloat and like stomach fat and like some of my back fat. I was feeling good, and then vacation came. So your girl needs to get on track here. So for breakfast this morning, all I had was literally a banana, and I just had one banana. And I am going to go to the gym now, and I'm just going to sip on water while I'm at the gym, and then I'll eat some type of post-workout meal. So for my water, I drink out of a hydro jug, and this is 73 ounces. I normally try to shoot for one of these a day. I don't really like to have more than one. I know a lot of people try to shoot for a gallon, but I feel like it's just too much. If I know that I can just at least drink one of these and I can get that down, I'd rather push myself for that than be like, oh, you need to drink a gallon, and then I don't get to a gallon and I get discouraged, and then I end up like eating like crap. And so I really just do what I can, and then I feel a lot better shooting for something I can realistically reach my goal for, and then I feel better for reaching that goal. So I'm gonna shoot for one of these today. I've been doing really bad. I've been drinking out of like water bottles, and I have no idea like what I've been drinking. I had to have some pop, some juices and stuff, so yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym now, and when I come back, I think I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna pick up a couple things, and I'll show you guys what I pick up. I think I'm gonna get something to kind of make like a detox smoothie or a detox juice, or both. I don't know yet, but I'm looking into dates, and some people have been using like beets and all kinds of different stuff for detoxing, like kale and spinach, and like I just don't know what I want to do yet. I might get 2 different kinds of stuff to make a smoothie or juice depending on like what flavor I'm shooting for, but I will keep you guys in tune, and let's go ahead and go to the gym. Well, there is no doubt in my mind that I didn't just burn a crap ton of calories. I'm sweating so bad. My face is really red. I look like I got sunburnt. Go ahead and go to Fresh Time, since it's literally right next to the gym. I'm like sitting right in front of the gym, and then Fresh Time is like right there, right behind me. So I'm gonna go get some stuff for my little detox smoothie, whatever I'm gonna drink, and we'll go from there. So for lunch, I'm just going to have some avocado toast with egg. The bread that I use is just this 12 grain bread. Just normal bread. I think it's high in fiber. I'm only going to be eating one.
Did you notice when I passed you yesterday that I was frozen? Thinking, flashing back, I can't live in the moment. My heart's still in the past, but we ain't spoken since you left me broken. When you said that you needed solace that I can't offer you, I found a light in all this, something to get me through. Now every day is a challenge, top down, blowing smoke out. It's not good for my balance. It sounds great when I'm burnt out, 'cause now the drugs aren't working. I've taken all I can, but my heart's still hurting. This can't be.
I'm gonna go ahead and start boiling this beet because it takes about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on the size, is what I saw online. So I'm gonna go ahead and start boiling it, that way it's ready for later, because I do want to try some type of like detox smoothie or a juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this in here. I already have a timer going, and I'll come back. So I'm gonna go ahead and have a couple of green grapes. Just gonna put a couple into a bowl. So for this little detox smoothie, I'm going to use some beets. I'm going to have 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of frozen fruit, and 1 cup of water. I think I'm only going to use about half of the beets and then freeze the rest of them. So it was my first time trying this detox smoothie. Not a huge fan. It kind of tastes gross. I think it's the beet. I guess when you use beets, they can kind of taste pretty earthy and kind of like taste like dirt. So it's also still pretty warm because I just got done boiling it. So I think I just need to get it a little bit more cold. So I put some ice into the blender and then I put a little bit of a banana, and I'm hoping that will help. So a little more bearable this way with a little bit more coldness to it. The banana didn't really do much, but it works for now. It's still absolutely disgusting. It tastes like dirt, but girl needs a detox. I did end up having one of these Yoplait yogurts as a snack in between my detox smoothie and my dinner, and it's just a really good way to have something quick and easy that's not really bad for you. Ooh. This is a pre-made salad from Costco. Seriously, so good. Out of the dressing that it came with, which is actually really good. And then I'm just going to top this off with a balsamic glaze. If you guys haven't had this already, it's super, super good. Some of these seeds on the salad too that it came with, and it has like little cranberries or something in this, but this little mixture with that dressing and the balsamic glaze is super, super yummy. So with my salad, I'm going to be having one of these chicken breasts left over from yesterday. Barbecue chicken on the grill, and it was so good. The video, so you gotta say hi.
Okay, hi guys. I'm Alexis's sister, and if you don't know, we're at the water park right now. If you can't see behind me, I always wanted to be a YouTuber when I grew up.
One day, sister will help you.
One day.
Tell them how old you are.
I'm 7 years old, and I'm 7.5 years old.
7, I thought she was 6.
And I don't know what to say.
That's it. You can say bye now.
Bye.
So I'm just gonna have some leftover chicken from yesterday. Had some macaroni left over, and then a salad if I get more hungry, but I'm gonna wait on this. What's up, you guys? It is later in the day. I did end up eating, I think, half of that chicken. I did eat the macaroni, and then I did have that salad too. And I'm pretty full. I've had a lot of water today as well. I think I'm gonna call it a night. It is like 9 o'clock and I'm actually really tired. We've been having a lot of outside time in the sun. I think I'm just gonna call it a night. So one thing I forgot to mention, if you guys are new to my channel, I do take some supplements. I've been keeping them organized in this little organizer I got from Amazon. I can link it down in the description box for you guys. But right now all I take is a multivitamin, a vitamin D, and then I mix it up with a probiotic once in a while. So that I have started doing is taking Inostil. I think that's how you pronounce it. Yeah, Inostil powder. I don't know exactly all of the benefits off the top of my head. I can read them to you guys. So I know one thing it helps majorly with is PCOS. So for people who have a hard time, you know, losing weight or have a lot of, you know, acne and stuff like that, it says it does help with depression. It can help with fertility. It does help control your blood sugar by improving your insulin sensitivity. It helps anxiety and affecting, actually, what does that say? It says may reduce anxiety by affecting serotonin. I'm just gonna take some water out of my hydro jug and just fill this guy up. But not too much. And then it does say to take, I think this is a, yeah, 1/4 a teaspoon of this powder. I try to get this in every morning and every night before I go to bed. But I've been kind of forgetting, so just gonna take that and then go to bed. I do work tomorrow, I think at like 12, so I wanted to wake up earlier to go to the gym and get some stuff done, you know, pick up my house or whatever. So I'm gonna call it a night. I'll probably drink some more water, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
This can't be all I am, 'cause even